Welcome back to our channel. This video is sponsored by Thrive Market, so we'll get into that later in the video. But today I have my wife on handy dandy Bob the Builder, Julia the Builder mode because I have our bench. Oh, I'm out of breath, baby. I need to start working out. I have our new bench for our little seating area coming, and then I think I also have a plant that's supposed to go here on the porch as well. So I need to get that. Also, I wanted to point out, look at me and Harper's hair color. Well, my roots. They look exactly the same. I just wanted to say, I'm a mom. I don't have time to be dyeing my hair every 3 weeks, okay? So if you see my roots and you're like, girl, take care of those, I know, I will get to it. If I see any comments about my roots, I don't know what will happen, but something will happen. I feel like the biggest problem with dyeing your hair red and being a fake redhead when you have blonde hair is when your roots come in, you just look like a balding chihuahua. You know, when you have those dark roots, it kind of looks like an ombre effect. No, here we just look like a hot mess express, honey. Bring him out, bring him out. Ooh. Ooh. This looks heavy. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Ready to open it? All right. Should we use our muscles? All right. Good job. Very cute. I also would like to point out that yesterday was 4th of July, and like, I don't know what was in the air. We did not have the best 4th of July yesterday. It wasn't bad. It wasn't like a bad day. It was just like, you know those days they just don't. Nothing goes right. It's like one thing after another. No matter what you do, like it just things don't work out. We didn't have fireworks and it was like 4:30 p.m. We still hadn't gotten fireworks. So Julia left to go get like some fireworks, and when she came back we were like, well, we should just do them now because Harper was like already tired and like we didn't know if he was gonna make it till like 10 o'clock. So we went outside, we tried to do our fireworks, and it was so windy we couldn't even light the fireworks. We tried to do like the smoke bombs first because we thought like that's more safe. It's not like sparks that could like blow off in the wind and catch our lawn on fire. So we did that, but then the smoke, we lit 2 off, and both times it went whoosh, right into us. Over to Abby and Harper. Well, on the bright side, our tree is very, very cute. I like it. So I think things are turning around. That's good. All right, you got to give it a fluff up now. Yeah. What the heck? Do you like the tree? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it actually looks really real. I feel like this is maybe the most realistic tree I've ever gotten. I like the pot too. Yeah, the pot's actually nice. I was worried that I'd have to get a new pot, but that one actually looks pretty good. And then I like the fake dirt. Yeah. Looks pretty realistic. All right, 10 out of 10. All right, well, do you want me to just like not do anything with it now and then? Yeah, maybe just put it over there and then we'll vacuum up this mess and then we can set up the. All right, bench. One mess at a time, right, Harper? That's our motto in this house. Next up is this one, which is just like a little like storage type of bench. I saw so many people saying that this like area is dying for a L-shaped bench, which I totally agree. But the problem is, so when the bench like, so obviously the bench has to come out a certain like, I don't know, depth I should say, to like be able to sit there, which would come halfway through this like wall. So then really the like part that you could sit on would be like basically as big as my hand, and it just like would look really silly, and we couldn't find like a contractor to do it to be able to like open up to have storage. So we found someone he was like, I'll do it, but it won't look good. Yeah, so we were like, okay, maybe we shouldn't, because basically you would just have to sit on this tiny little area. Yeah, it would look stupid. So we're gonna see if this works. There is another size of this like bench that I bought, so if we ever like move or like we can make bigger space, we can always buy like the longer bench and then it'll work. So all right, Harper, I need your help. Let's cut. Okay, and it might be a mess. That's true, Harper. But are we gonna clean up the mess when we're done? That's right. Wow. Are we gonna look at the instructions? Okay. What does it say? It says to get some tools. Go get your tools then. They're in your bedroom. It says to use mommy's tools? Okay. We'll get mommy's tools in just a second. What's that, sweetie? 10 tools? Oh, goodness. Do you think we have enough? How much assembly do you think it is? Not that much. Harper's got the instructions. Let's see. He says we need 10 tools. 10 tools? Also, I can finally take my ring in to get fixed. I'm missing one of the pearls on my ring, if you can tell, and I need to get that replaced. The jeweler has the pearl, like it got shipped in, but now I just need to go get it placed into my ring. All right, I'm putting a pause on unboxing all of that stuff to show you the unboxing of my Thrive Market. If you guys don't know who they are, Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store, and they actually have guaranteed savings on every order. We love Thrive because you're able to customize online the kind of things that you're getting. It's really easy to shop for items that might be a little bit more niche to your local health food store, and it's so convenient how they just come straight to your door. So I want to show you guys like a pretty standard order that we get. We really like the brand Annie's. Harbor loves the flavors of them. I've never had these before, but I've been wanting to try something like this. We have been trying to think of like creative ways to get Harbor to eat more veggies. So something like this, easier way to get him to eat veggies. Another Annie's brand, as you can tell, we really like Annie's. So these are crispy snack bars, and they don't have high fructose corn syrup in them, so that's why I like them. Harbor's been obsessed with applesauce too, so we got some organic applesauce, and you can get things from Thrive that aren't just like grocery store items too. Abby got this aromatherapy room and body mist, and then Abby also got this candle. It's mandarin orange and lemongrass coconut wax candle. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like an orange creamsicle. Like I said, with Thrive Market, you save on every single order, and if you find a lower price somewhere else, they'll actually match it. We actually saved $14.24 total on this order, which is pretty awesome. They have two different membership options. If you pay month to month, it's $12 a month, or if you pay annually, it's only $5 a month, and then you're billed annually at $59.95. And Thrive actually has a guarantee that you will make that $60 membership fee back in the savings, otherwise they will spot you the difference. When you're shopping, you can filter by different things like lifestyle or diet or different product types, or even just like your favorite brands. They actually have over 90 different diets and values that you can filter by. Not only is it good for you, but it's also good for the planet. Orders that are over $49 ship free, and they're delivered with carbon neutral shipping from their zero waste warehouses. If you guys want to check them out, you can click the link in our description or go to thrivemarket.com/AbbyandJulia, and you can get 30% off your first order and a free gift that's worth up to $60. Thanks again to Thrive for sponsoring today's video. All right, now we got all the pieces, and I'm having a heart palpitation. We got all the pieces now. Now I just need to piece them together. Also, I'm doing a full transformation over on my Instagram. So if you want to see how this turns out once everything is all together, you'll have to go see it there because we still have quite a bit to do. What do you think?
What do we have to do besides this?
I need to set out like the pillows. I need to fix the like top of this because this is like upholstered with like a gray fabric. What?
And we messed up with the curtains.
Yeah, the curtains we have to change. So there's kind of just they're like little things, but it's just a few things that need to get done. This boy also starts dance soon. Didn't you sign him up for dance this morning?
Yeah, I signed him up for a dance class. Are you excited?
Okay.
It's kind of like gymnastics, but then you can like run around and dance.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
That'll be fun. Dance
Dance
moves.
moves. Cool.
Is that the back or the front?
No idea. I'm just taking it as I go.
All right, we're getting closer. We had one mishap. Julia does this every single time she puts something together. Do you want to tell them?
Tradition.
She puts something on backwards or
Sometimes
something
it's
on
on backwards the wrong way, but you know what? It's just for funsies.
It's for fun, huh?
Yeah. Just
It drives me crazy.
Hello.
You're
You
goofy.
get silly.
I found this it's like a peel and stick wallpaper, which you know I'm a huge fan of, but it's like beadboard, which we have beadboard on the opposite wall over here in the kitchen. So I was gonna do that like around each side here. Probably not the top, obviously, because it's soft, but I was thinking of just doing it along the side so that it matches, and I feel like it'll just add a little something. So you guys will have to tell me what you think. Is that a good idea or a totally wackadoodle idea? Did you just do it again?
I just did it again. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. I was just talking to the camera, first of all, for about 5 minutes. And the only reason I realized that it wasn't recording was because the camera turned off. And then I'm like, oh, great. It's very deceptive. There's a little red dot in the corner.
Okay, but that just shows you that your viewfinder's on.
But I don't understand why they would put a red dot in the corner if it's not recording. The red dot means recording. Anyway, and then I start talking again saying, oh my gosh, I thought I was recording. And I realized I wasn't recording again. This is gonna be a constant problem, I can tell you that right now.
That's not a good sign.
Anyway, I was just talking for forever. I was showing you Harbor's Band-Aid because he bumped his elbow while he was helping me set up this thing, and whenever he gets hurt, he just wants a Band-Aid, even if he's not like bleeding or anything. Something about having a Band-Aid like makes him feel better. So I gave him a Band-Aid, and then he gave it to me because he was really sweet. He's a very nice young man. And I thought it was catching these cute moments between us, and now I'm finding out that it's not. But you can see here's his Band-Aid he gave me. Grandpa Shark. Right, Harbor?
Recording, actually?
I am recording, and I know that because it says R-E-C in the corner instead of the red dot. Anyway, we got some food delivered to the house. Oh, that was the other thing I was saying. Harbor calls mac and cheese, and he does it because before he could talk, he wanted so badly to communicate to us that he wanted mac and cheese, because he loves mac and cheese, that he would imitate us, because when we get mac and cheese, we blow on it before we give it to him. So he would call it, and he still calls it that, even though he knows how to say it. Right, Harbor? Can you say mac and cheese? That was pretty good. Boy, oh boy. Anyway, after that recap of everything I just did, you guys want to see where we're at so far? It's looking pretty good. Right, Harbor? Abby's mad at me because
No, I have a tummy ache.
Oh, I thought you were mad because I was just talking for forever and I wasn't
No, I mean, it's a little annoying.
Well, I thought you were mad before that because I messed up and I was screwing it on backwards.
Oh, why would I care about that?
Because it was taking up time, and I know how you are about
I have a
efficiency.
tummy ache.
Abby's got a tummy ache. What's that, sweetie?
Fireworks.
Firework? You want to tell them about the fireworks? Did you see some fireworks yesterday?
Mommy, it is a fireworks.
Mommy did some fireworks.
No, Mommy, it's a fireworks. It is.
The firework went in your face. Yeah, it did. The smoke went in his face.
You can't be saying that stuff on
The actual firework was not in his face.
You
It
couldn't
was.
even light the actual one. You want to tell them how they can look for this on my Instagram and close it out?
What? Look for it on your Instagram?
The reveal.
Oh, you're not gonna do the reveal right now. Oh. Well, guess what? I'm not gonna show you the grand reveal. You wanna know why? Because you gotta go to my wife's Instagram.
Yep.
That's right.
Final product.
If you guys don't follow us on Instagram, then you should. It's always linked in the description. And usually we'll stick it on the screen too, because we're pretty desperate.
We're desperate for followers.
We just
Please
really need
follow
followers.
us, please.
What do you think, Harbor? Do you have anything else to say before we close it out? What is it? He's just shrugging. You have something to say, but you don't know what? My wife needs a Fanta.
You can vlog that.
Well, we'll end the video with a Fanta. You look like you got macaroni all over your hands, do you?
Mm-hmm.
You do? Okay, good. Fanta like changed their branding. It looks vintage. It's kind of fun.
It's an even better taste too, or
Orange
something.
soda, now more delicious.
But it tastes the exact same. Probably
Is
not
it
the best
more
thing to eat
delicious?
when you have a stomach ache, but whatever.
Yeah, this
YOLO!
is one of Abby's, like, is it an OCD thing? Is that what you would call it? Where when you feel sick, the thing that mentally will make you feel better, maybe not physically, is a Fanta or a Sprite. But you don't do Sprites anymore.
Well, that went down south pretty bad.
Well, they made you two actually sick.
Mama, ooh.
That's one of my red flags. Red of my red foods.
And then a while ago when
Talk about the rice pudding.
yes, Abby was obsessed with rice pudding, but she is allergic to milk.
I'm not allergic. I have an intolerance.
She's intolerant to milk.
Mm-hmm.
And rice pudding has a significant amount of actual milk in it, but she just would eat it nonstop. It was the only thing she would eat, and she would feel so sick, but she wouldn't stop eating it because mentally it made her feel better, but then physically it didn't make her feel better, and she just got stuck in a cycle.
To be smart. Mental comfort.
Mental comfort. And there's nothing wrong with that. Until there
A
is.
little bit kooky nookie. Are you gonna eat your fries?
Maybe eventually. Why, do you want some?
No.
I was getting an astrology reading done for Abby, and the lady said, is she like neurospicy a little bit?
And
That's
the
what she
answer to
called it.
that was,
But I don't think I've ever heard someone say
that's
that.
why
but
you love me.
That's why I love you. We're learning new things about each other all the time. You need to wash your hands. Okay, now we really have to go. I'm blabbering too much. Okay,
No,
bye. Okay. I love my wife. I do. I love every little thing about her.
Even my OCD?
Even your OCD.
Okay.
I love everything. I wouldn't change anything.
Wow.
Perfect.
What about when I eat rice pudding and then I...
You know what? I don't care.
Harbor wants you to wash his hands really
You can
bad.
eat rice pudding as much as you want because you know what? It doesn't really affect me. It affects you though. So. All right, bye.